Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be trying Extreme Slime Makeover, and this video is uploaded late because I wasn't happy with the edited result of the previous edits. So it took me 3 weeks to finally finish this video. So hope you all enjoy. Make sure to watch the video till the very end because I have a huge announcement for you guys. And now I'm moving. Guys, now I'm doing grand checks so make sure to watch till the very end for the announcement. And now the slime is easier to work with because now it's free of the charms. If you guys love makeover videos, then be sure to click the I button in the top right corner to check out other slime makeover videos. And if you guys don't know where this clear slime is from, then be sure to click the I button in the top right corner to check out the video in which I was playing with this clear slime. It was an ASMR video, so make sure to check it out. This was my first attempt on makeovering this slime and I was not happy with the result. So after 3 days I decided to remakeover the slime again, and this is how the slime looks like after 3 days. As you guys can see that the clay is separating from the clear slime, so I'm going to mix it in and makeover it again. You guys, this is such a cute little charm that I just made out of clay. I want to cover the slime with a white base slime so that the charms look better on the white base. So I'm using this white glossy slime. It is made by my sister and she's just very good at making white glossy slimes. If you guys like the little charm I made, then be sure to let me know so I make a charm tutorial. So guys, now I top the slime with some white base slime. Then I put some saran wrap on top and then I put the charms on top. Saran wrap was put over there so that the charms don't sink to the bottom. This is the finished slime, but don't click out because I have an announcement for you and the rules of the shoutout has been changed. Guys, make sure to like this video because I worked really hard on this. As you guys can see, I'm using my new equipment, my new mic, my new backdrop. Everything is new, so make sure to like this video. I also worked really hard on making the little charms and details, so make sure to like this. The announcement is that the rules of the shadow have been changed, so they're not that difficult. They're very easy, so you guys can follow them. They are in the description box down below. And also I'm going to be doing grand shoutouts, and only one person will be able to get a grand shoutout, so make sure to check the rules in the description box of the video for the grand shoutout. And if you guys get a grand shoutout, then you'll get lots of subscribers from that shoutout because it is not a normal shoutout, it's a grand shoutout. So it's different and only one special person will get it who follows the rules correctly. So good luck to everyone. And now you guys can enjoy the ASMR, and you guys can let me know some video suggestions down below, any video ideas or stuff. I would love to hear them. And that is it for this video. This week's notification squad shout out goes to Katarina. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing your name wrong, but I cannot put your comment over here because of some Wi-Fi problems, but I will put your comment next time, so hope you get a grand shout out. Katarina, good luck, and thank you so much.
Thank you!